Here I have Xiaomi A2 Lite, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen. Let me open the list of all apps, choose settings, scroll down and select system. Here you need to find and select the reset options and choose reset app preferences. So this will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, any permission restrictions. What's really important, you will not lose any app data. So if you are aware of this and you would like to still accomplish that operation, let's choose reset apps. And you just reset app preferences, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.